right, y'all, we're back and we are reviewing new products. So today I am actually going to be reviewing an entirely new brand. This is a brand called Untitled. This is a black owned business and it is new. It has been all kind of buzz on the Instagrams about this, so I just wanted to go and review it. What is happening with my eyeball? Okay, I have used these products before. Amicole was so kind enough to reach out to me to send me these products, so I did get these for free. First, if you buy the like full set, it comes in this little cute little bag, which I think is so cute, especially like if you travel or if you have to take your makeup with you. This is cute little something to keep in your purse. So we have 3 products here. This is the light catching highlighter. This is their lip treatment oil, nice brown shade, and then this is their skin enhancing tint in deep number 1. Just full disclosure, I have tried all these products before. This is more so like not really a first impression, but more of just like I really want to share these products with you guys because I think they are that good. Let's start off with the skin enhancing tint in deep number 1. So how I like to apply it is just like a little bit here, a little bit on each cheek, and a little dot on my chin. I have been using this skin tint for a little while now. It's kind of been my go-to, and I really like using this MAC brush. This is the MAC 187S to really like just buff it into my skin. But I am really enjoying this skin tint. It just melts into the skin so effortlessly. Obviously, as a skin tint, it does not give you like full coverage or anything. Like you can still see like my imperfections. The other thing is that this is a clean beauty brand, so it doesn't have all those like crazy chemicals and things like that in it. So not only is it black owned, but it's not bad for you. If I have to hop on a Zoom call or anything like that really quickly, I throw this on. But I can also wear her like out if I'm doing like a little date night, little something, or like, you know, just going out to a function, you know, since we are going places these days and I want something on my skin, she works it well. So next up from Amicole, as we can see, I got bronzer, blush on, all that stuff. This is their light catching highlighter, and it's actually like a highlighter like balm, which I like. This is really nice if you are a no makeup type of gal. It's almost kind of like a jelly, so to speak, or like I don't know, it's like a gloss kind of. So I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my cheeks, and it's a really nice, like, it's kind of like a no highlight because it does have a little bit of sparkle in it, but it's not your traditional like glowy sparkly highlight, if you know what I mean. So just on the high points of my cheeks. Not least, y'all, we have the gloss from Amicole, and this is called the lip treatment oil. It's this pretty brown shade, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like by itself. It's a transparent gloss. You still get like a hint of brown though. It's so pretty. It's so pretty by itself. I could wear it like that, which I do a lot. And I would just say like the feel of this, it gives you the feel of like the MAC lip gloss, but not as thick or as sticky. Like I can still move my lips around. My lips are not getting stuck together. It does have a heaviness to it, which I like personally. I don't really like lip oils that are like too thin and watery feeling on my lips. And the shine lasts for a good while, which I appreciate. I hate a lip gloss that kind of dulls out really quickly. So now I'm gonna put it on with like a full lip so you can see. So if you have like a lighter shade like that and you just want to like tone it down, It's like the most perfect gloss I've ever used. So that's it, y'all. That is my review of the Untitled Trio. Like, if you just look at my face, y'all, like, I look like I have a foundation on. Like, this gives you light coverage, light to medium coverage. You're not gonna get full coverage out of this ever. But I mean, look at me, I have a full face of makeup on. Sometimes when you're using like a skin tint or something that's a lighter coverage with like heavier makeup, your makeup just looks a little off. This is still looking good. This is still kicking. So I really enjoy the skin tint a lot. I'm definitely gonna repurchase when I run out. The highlighter, I like the highlighter a little bit more for when I'm wearing like no makeup. Like with a fuller face of makeup like this, I feel like you do need something that's a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more blingy. But I like to call this like my no highlight. It gives you that shine and that glow and like a really healthy, like radiant look to your skin without adding all the sparkle and glitter. And then this gloss, like, she is just like the most perfect gloss because it's shiny. It helps like blend in everything. It adds that brown tone to your lips. Like, you saw how my gloss or my lipstick was like just a little bit too cakey, a little bit too pink. And this just adds like the perfect, it's just so good. It's just so good. Go get this trio. Thank you, Untitled, for coming out with this nice, clean skincare for the girls, okay? We're enjoying that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will link everything below. I will link all the shades and everything like that below. Do not forget to subscribe and also ring the bell so you can get notified anytime I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.